Nerello Mascalese. Hello again. It's time for day 6 of the 2024 wine advent calendar from DrinkinItIn. And today we're going to discuss Nerello Mascalese. Nerello Mascalese. It's a red grape native to Sicily. So these wines, it's typically used with its partner, Nerello Capuccio. But sometimes you do see Nerello Mascalese as a single variety in Italy, in wines from Sicily. These wines are medium embodied, medium in tannin, and medium to high in acid, right? Often thought of as, or the Etna Rosso wines that are on the shelves are often thought of as Pinot Noir equivalents, a competitor to red wines from the Burgundy region. Oh, Burgundy, everybody's favorite. I'm here to tell you these wines are serious, right? They're gorgeous, gorgeous wines. So flavor profile, as you might imagine, right? In the cherry family, you can get a little bit of thyme, thyme the herb, some baking spices, a nice bit of orange peel, if you're lucky in these wines. Like I said, it's native to Sicily, native to Italy, obviously, and usually grown around Mount Etna on the island. So if some of the other thing you can get if you have a really good Etna Rosso is a little bit of smokiness, that ashy smokiness. It does filter into the wines at times. One of my favorites that's pretty well distributed is the Benanti Etna Rosso. Benanti is a well-known producer from Sicily. I actually did an episode fairly recently on my favorite Sicilian producers, and Benanti is in there. So if you want to learn a little bit more about that, click over here. I've got the video right there for you. And I will see you for day 7 tomorrow. Thanks for joining.